In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account on Tradovate. Now to do this, you want to go to their official website and then you want to scroll down over here until you see it says try a 14-day free demo. So you want to click on that, and then from here it's going to basically allow you to create a new account, of course a free demo account for 14 days. So you can just go ahead and click on sign up with Google. You can sign up with Apple as well, or you could just use your email and then sign up from here, okay? You'll get the instructions. You'll have to basically type in a few of your information, so like the email, the password you want to use, and you're going to have to confirm the email using your email inbox. You're going to receive something and you're going to have to confirm it, and then whenever you do this, it's going to basically sign you in and you'll see this over here. So it's going to say select a trading mode. So what you have to do to actually open a demo account is click on over here where it says simulation, and here it's going to tell you how many days you have left on your trial. So I have 9 days. I can just click on access simulation over here, and it's going to take me over to trader.tradovate.com, and essentially it's going to load in their trader over here, and you can start using your demo account from here. Okay, for more tutorials, I do have a full playlist on my channel, so you can go watch that as well. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.